This is the 25A service to Dingwall.
The next stop is Alness, Cool Hill Car Park. The next stop is Alness, St. John's. The next stop is Alness, Burnside. The next stop is Alness, Kirkside. The next stop is Alness, Westford Church. This stop is Alness, Westford Church. This is the 25A service to Dingwall. We are now approaching Eventon, Novar Toll. The next stop is Eventon, Novar Crescent. This stop is Eventon, Novar Crescent. This is the 25A service to Dingwall. The next stop is Eventon, Balcony Street Co. This stop is Eventon, Balcony Street Co. The next stop is Eventon, Warman. We are now approaching Ardali roundabout. The next stop is Dingwall, Craig Road Garage. The next stop is Dingwall, Leisure Centre. The next stop is Dingwall, Davison Drive. The next stop is Dingwall, Cove. This is the service 27 to Inverness Airport. The next stop is Barnes Crescent. The next stop is Dingwall, Tesco. This stop is Dingwall, Tesco. The next stop is Dingwall, Hull Street. The next stop is Dingwall Station. This is the service 27 to Inverness Airport. The next stop is Maryborough Post Office. This stop is Maryborough Post Office. The next stop is Common Bridge Petrol Station. The next stop is Warman. This stop is Warman. We are now approaching Toll roundabout. The next stop is Treaton, Castle Village. The next stop is Stagecoach Bus Depot. This stop is Stagecoach Bus Depot. The next stop is Inverness Bus Station. This stop is Inverness Bus Station. This is service 27 to Compton. The next stop is Longman. Justice Centre. This stop is Longman. Justice Centre. This is the service 27 to Compton. The next stop is Longman, Seafield Road. This is the service 28 to Dunwell. The next stop is Kirk Hill, Post Office. This stop is Kirk Hill, Post Office. We are now approaching Rocky's Corner. We are now approaching Bewley. A831 junction. The next stop is Station Road Cove. This stop is Station Road Cove. This is the service 28 to Dunwell. The next stop is Tintallach Road End. This stop is Tintallach Road End. The next stop is Murrayford Square. The next stop is Art Arts Hotel. We are now approaching Highfield Junction. The next stop is Station Road. The next stop is Common Bridge, Spar Shop. The next stop is Common Bridge, Car Park. Welcome on board the X99, Service 2, Inverness bus station, where there will be a vehicle change for onwards travel to Scrapster. Come on board the X99, Service 2, Inverness bus station, where there will be a vehicle change for onwards travel to Thurso. Come on board the X99, Service 2, Inches Rigmore Hospital.